Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by steeping the hibiscus to extract flavor and color. Combine 2 cups dried hibiscus or 4 tea bags with 4 cups boiling water, then cover so aromas don't escape. Once done, steep for 15 to 20 minutes until deep red. This concentration gives body and tartness. Next, strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to remove petals and seeds. Make sure to press gently to recover flavor without bitterness. Let the infusion cool slightly before sweetening to preserve clarity and balance. With the warm hibiscus infusion, you add sweetener so it dissolves evenly. Start with 1/2 cup sugar or 1/3 cup honey, then adjust. Meanwhile, juice about 4 lemons to equal 1 cup fresh lemon juice. Acidity is crucial for brightness and to balance hibiscus tannins. Once combined, mix 1 part hibiscus concentrate to 3 parts water as a starting ratio, then taste. If too tart, increase sugar or water. If flat, add more lemon. Stir until homogeneous, then chill to let flavors. You finish by cooling the lemonade thoroughly. Chill for 1 to 2 hours so flavors meld and it becomes brisk. Serve over ice with lemon wheels and mint to enhance aroma. Presentation reinforces perceived freshness. If the drink seems cloudy or grainy, let it cold settle in the refrigerator and decant, or run it through a coffee filter to clarify. Make sure not to overheat when redissolving sweetener, as that can add haze. Finally, adjust sweetness or lemon quickly. Small tweaks restore balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.